Hello, my name is Ruby. I'm an astronaut. Hello, my name is Ruby. I'm an astronaut. I work with a small team and we live together in a space station. I work with a small team and we live together in a space station. Our spaceship is white and tall. Our spaceship is white and tall. We wear big suits and helmets. We wear big suits and helmets. Last week, we landed on a new planet. Last week, we landed on a new planet. The planet is far from Earth. The planet is far from Earth. It is cold, quiet, and pink. It is cold, quiet, and pink. The rocks are blue and soft. The rocks are blue and soft. We walk slowly on the ground. We walk slowly on the ground. The gravity is strange. The gravity is strange. We started to explore. We started to explore. We looked at the rocks. We looked at the rocks. We tested the air. We tested the air. Then we saw footprints. Big, round footprints. Then we saw footprints. Big, round footprints. We followed the footprints. We followed the footprints. They led to a cave. They led to a cave. The cave was dark and quiet. The cave was dark and quiet. We turned on our lights. We turned on our lights. And then we saw them. Aliens. And then we saw them. Aliens. They were purple, had tentacles and a squid-like head. Their eyes were big, dark, and scary. They were purple, had tentacles and a squid-like head. Their eyes were big, dark, and scary. They looked at us. We didn't move. They looked at us. We didn't move. Then one alien waved his tentacle. Then one alien waved his tentacle. We waved back. We waved back. They came closer. They came closer. They touched our suits. They touched our suits. We didn't speak the same language. We didn't speak the same language. But we understood each other. But we understood each other. They gave us a gift, a small glowing stone. They gave us a gift, a small glowing stone. We thanked them. We thanked them. Then we returned to our ship. Then we returned to our ship. And headed back to our space station. And headed back to our space station. Tomorrow, we go back to Earth. Tomorrow, we go back to Earth. We will tell everyone. We will tell everyone. We found a new planet. We found a new planet. And we made new friends. And we made new friends.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.